Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial Material Handling Division. I'm the National Sales Manager for New Age. I want to show you a cart that we've developed to help solve your needs when you just don't know what you want. But first, let's talk about what makes this cart tick. The most important thing is we extrude all our own aluminum. This is primary aluminum over here. It is extruded at 1100 degrees, and we make all our own shapes coming out of this die. So we can make every shape and form that's on this cart. This is a sample of the slice of it. This is what the die looks like. Now that you know how we're doing it, let's see what we can do for you. These are our posts that we use on our standard shelving. There's nothing special about it. It's aluminum post. It's just a shelving post. What we're going to ask you to do first is we're going to say, look, how big a cart do you want? This base comes in 3 sizes, 24 inches wide, 36 long, 24 by 48, and 24 by 60. This is a 36-inch long by 24 wide deck. This is the deck that I'm talking about. That's a T-bar shelf that we use. So once you decide on that, then we get the post height. We put that in here, and then you decide on what other things you want to add as far as shelving. This is a heavy-duty shelf, so it's just 2 bars to slide product on. This is a solid shelf if you're doing small pick environments with a removable shelf. And then this is just another T-bar shelf, just like we have at the bottom. So once you decide your shelves, you can actually put these anywhere you want on the post. These are adjustable. You have the lines on here. These are guidelines. These are every 2 inches apart. This is not like that cheap wire shelving stuff. This is strong shelving. You're looking at this shelf at 1,500 pounds. This one's 1,000. The bottom one is 2,000, right? Or this one's 2,000, and that one's 1,500 pound capacity. This cart's meant to do the job. It's heavy duty. Now, let's see, what are we going to add to this cart? Do you want a little handle with an invoice holder with a tray? If you do, you just bolt it on. This is simple. So that's one option. Or if you don't want to do that, you want another option, we can turn around and say, well, let's just put a single handle on here. I can attach it anywhere. We can raise it, lower it. Some people shorter, taller. I've got a tray here too, so I can put it for an RFID gun holder if you want to hold it in there. We have a lot of options. Again, this cart is designed to kind of solve your first cart, your inhibitions, because this way you can kind of go, well, let's just buy one of these, see if this works. If it works, you can get more, or we can build you an all-welded one, and it will last forever. This is all aluminum. It will never rust. The casters are very much key in this. The bottom caster, this center wheel caster on there allows me to do this. It's 0 turning, so I can turn around and make any corner in a tight configuration. That's really important, especially going down the aisles. So when you're ready to look for some picking and fulfillment carts, look to New Age. We've got what you need. This will help you get there. Thank you for your time.